The questionnaire is answered by 44 respondents. 5 questions in the multiple choice form, 1 question in the drop-down form, and 2 questions in the short answer form. And today I will present the result of the questionnaire from the first paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 presents the figure on the percentage of the vacation habits. Based on the paragraph, 88.6% of the people who really like going on vacation and the people who don't really like going on vacation by 11.4%. By this result, almost of people really like going on the vacation. Paragraph 2 presents the percentage of the vacation quantity taken by the people. The purpose of this question to know how often the people is going on vacation. Based on the paragraph 2, we know that 72.7% of people like going on vacation when they have free time. Then 50.9% of the people like going on vacation every week. Then 4.5% of people like going on vacation every month and also annual. And the last 2.3% of people who really like going on vacation every day. By this result, we know that the higher percentage of the best time to go on vacation is when the people have a free time. Bar graph presents the percentage of favorite person who will be able to accompany when going on vacation. Based on the graph, 84.1% people like going on vacation with their family. The second is 61.4% people like going on vacation with their bestie. Then 59.1% people like going on vacation with their friends. Next, the people who like going on vacation with their close friend by 29.5%. The people who like going on vacation with their boyfriend or their girlfriend by 22.7%. And the last, the people who like going on vacation with their ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend and also just alone by 2.3%. Based on the data, we know that the people is most likely going on vacation with their family. Next graph presents the percentage of vacation trips by the people. Based on the pie graphs, we know that 47.7% of people have planned their vacation. Then, the people who are going on vacation in suddenly way by 50%. And 2.3% the people going on vacation in both way, planned and also suddenly. Based on the data, we know that mostly people more interested going on vacation in planned ways. The people little bit like to going on vacation in suddenly ways. The four graphs present the percentage of favorite bag Waris will be able to bring when going on vacation. Based on the pie graphs, 75% people like bring small bag when there are vacation, and the people who like bring large bag by 25%. Based on this data, we know that people more likely to bring small bag on their vacation. The people like bring small bag because bring small bag is easy to carry out and too simple. Usually, it's just a short vacation, so people don't have to carry a lot of things to make the holiday more relaxing, fun, and not difficult to carry a lot of things, so they use a small bag. The people who like bring small bag on their vacation don't like to be complicated and more practically to carry and use. The people don't like to carry too many things. They only carry important things like just bring their handphone and the people who like bring large bag have a different opinions. They suggest bring large bag is because in order to be able to carry a lot of things. When holiday, the people often bring so many stuff and bring back so many stuff too, such as t-shirt for their photo, snack, and they can carry a lot of supplies. So it's easier to use the large bag. By this qualitative and subjective data, we can make a conclusion that bring a small bag or large bag have a positive and negative impact. We can use one of them as we need. Actually, it based on how many things are needed for the people vacation. For example, it is a staycation, they will bring a large bag. However, if they just go to a near place, they will bring a small bag. And the last pie graphs present the percentage of the favorite destination when going on vacation. Based on the pie graphs, 65.9% of people like going to the beach when they are vacation. Then the people who like going to the mountain by 7.3%. 2.3% of the people like going on vacation in both of destination and also in the waterfall and a place with a beautiful view. Based on the data, we know that almost of people like going to the beach when they are vacation. The people like going to the beach because beach is their favorite place, make they feel fresh, cool and calm. The beach give a very pleasant, is the most beautiful view. Watching the wave and breathe fresh air, the people go to the beach because it is one of the options for affordable vacation. They can see the sunset, sunrise, they can play ball in the beach, can swim and enjoy the beauty of the beach. Feel very refreshed and that is more comfortable place than vacation to the mountain. The people who like going on vacation to the beach says because vacation to mountain is very tired, so they don't like it. And the people who like going to the mountain because in the mountain they can see green forests, refreshing, enjoying fresh air and pampering the eyes with green and beautiful view. In order to calm their mind and they can unstressing. The people who like going on vacation to the mountains also say they like adventure and more challenging when climbing the mountain. That is can give they a new experience. And also they can see the beautiful scenery and it's a good place to take a picture. By this data, we can take a conclusion that going to the beach when vacation day is more interesting than going to the mountains. But in other opinion, going to the mountains is also sounds good. I think that is enough from me. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.